Today we are going to unboxing an 85 amp MPPT Solar Charge Controller. It weighed 13 pounds. Open the box and you will see the instruction manual. Let's take it out of the box. Fuse. The temperature sensor. And very thick foam. The terminal part where you connect the solar panels and the battery. We can see that it has very thick cooling fins. It a 85 amp controller and able to handle 48 volts battery system. Now let's open the terminal parts to see what's in it. Open the coverage. Seems very good quality. Here connects the panels. Here connect the battery pack. This is to connect the temperature sensor and other accessories like remote meters or Bluetooth adapter. And it also has a press switch there. Very good structured and designing. Thanks for watching.